Gold coin has also gained international recognition, having been presented to the city of Memphis in the United States on the 6th of May 2022 during the Asante-Hene's visit to participate in the Memphis in May International Festival.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 24-carat Otumfour commemorative gold coin was launched at the Menchia Palace in Kumasi on December 12, 2021. It was launched to celebrate His Royal Majesty Otumfour II as an extraordinary peace builder and development-oriented king. His Royal Majesty was also recognized for the installation of the latest of the World Peace Bells at the Menchia Palace in Kumasi. On April 26, 2019, the Peace Bell was unveiled at the Menchia Palace in honor of a great son of Ghana, His Excellency the late Kofi Annan, one-time UN Secretary General. The bell was erected at the Menchia Palace also in commemoration of the 20th anniversary of the reign of Otumfour II, which was 26th of April 2019. His Majesty has remained the first point of call in his country, Ghana, when it comes to issues of diplomacy, peace building, and conflict resolution. The Dagbang crisis. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, the Africa Premier Leadership Scheme took into consideration the speech delivered by His Royal Majesty on the topic, Partnership for Cultural Peace, Mobilizing Traditional Leadership and Communities for Peace and Security. This was during the 25th anniversary of the adoption of the Declaration and a Culture on Peace at the United Nations General Assembly in September 2019. All of the above and more inform the birth of the Otumfour commemorative gold coin, which we'll do a presentation of tonight. The face of the gold coin bears the image of the Asante-Hene with various Adinkra symbols which symbolize peace, harmony, and reconciliation. The reverse bears an image of the golden stool, the very, very famous Sikeja Kofi. The Bank of Ghana, the Central Bank of the Republic of Ghana, gave approval to the E-on3 Group, an investment and business solutions provider based in Accra, to mint the Otumfour commemorative gold coin. Charles Ewing receives this on behalf of this city.
We gladly accept this gold coin, and we feel extremely honored being the first recipient of this gold coin and also to receive it on the King's birthday. It is a blessing, and I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate the opportunity to meet the King as well as to share some good golfing moments with you. Thank you all so much.
This will live in memory in our office on display for all the subsequent years. Thank you.